Dreaming of youthful, glowing skin? You are not alone. Let's unlock the secrets to radiant, healthy skin naturally and effectively. Start with a clean canvas. Use a mild cleanser twice daily to remove impurities. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week to slough off dead skin cells. This boosts skin texture and brightness. Hydration is key. Drink 8 glasses of water daily and eat skin-loving foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens. They are packed with antioxidants that fight aging and give you that natural glow. Sun damage causes wrinkles and dark spots. Always wear SPF 30+ sunscreen, even indoors. For anti-aging, try serums with vitamin C or retinol. They boost collagen and even skin tone. Pamper your skin with DIY masks. Honey and yogurt hydrate, while turmeric brightens. A 2-minute facial massage improves blood flow, giving you an instant radiant lift. Your skin repairs at night. Use a hydrating night cream with hyaluronic acid. And don't skip 7 to 8 hours of sleep. It's the ultimate glow booster. Avoid skincare mistakes, over-exfoliating, skipping moisturizer, or using harsh products. Instead, be consistent. Glowing skin needs patience and care. Follow these tips daily, and you'll see brighter, younger-looking skin in no time. Which tip will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty secrets.